Hello there, what is up? Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. Today we have a Disney themed subscription box. You know it, you know I love it. We have the Magical Pick-Me-Up subscription box. Magical Pick-Me-Up is a monthly subscription box that brings a little bit of the magic from Hong Kong Disneyland straight into your home. There are two different Magical Pick-Me-Ups. We have the mini Magical Box and then the Magical Box. The Magical Box is what I have been opening for the last few months here on this channel and is what I am opening today. Now, if you would like to find out more information about Magical Pick-Me-Up, I do have their website linked in the description box down below, as well as my previous unboxings. I have that Magical Pick-Me-Up playlist down below so you can binge watch after you watch today's video. Let's see what is inside. I realize I'm just sitting down to film and I have no ears on, so I feel a little out of place. I don't even have a Disney shirt on. I feel a little out of place. For a Disney themed video. Magical Pick-Me-Up is packaged with this Easter eggy grass sort of deal. I've received multiple mugs from Magical Pick-Me-Up and nothing has ever been crushed or anything like that. The things are always wrapped up really nicely. Oh my gosh, the ears. The ears that are in this box. If you have not watched my other Magical Pick-Me-Up unboxings, you need to watch them just simply for the ears. Like the ears that Hong Kong Disneyland has are out of this world fantastic. They're so different than what we have here stateside. Are you ready? They're confetti ears. Oh my gosh, how cute. And I know that we have some like this. But I tried them on whenever I was last at Disney. If you haven't watched those vlogs, by the way, I'll link that down below as well. You should definitely check it out. And I found them kind of heavy, but these don't really feel that heavy. So pink sequined bow. And these are another pair of ears from the 15th anniversary celebration. So we have that embroidered here. And then the confetti is, oh, let's see. It's very shiny. So the confetti is stars, Mickey head confetti, and 15. Let's see. I don't think it will show, but it just has 15 written on it. So let me cut the tag and put them on. It's my little ear dance. I'm so happy. I love ears. Oh my gosh. They kind of blend in, the ear portions kind of blend into my background because it's so sparkly, they're so sparkly. Oh, I love them. They're so comfortable. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's continue. So you can, by the way, set up preferences with Magical Pick-Me-Up. When you subscribe, you are sent a little form to let them know, like what your favorite items are, what you collect, who your favorite characters are. And so whenever I filled that out, I said that I collect specifically ears, mugs, and stationery. They've pretty much, since the beginning, been hitting those preferences on target. So this was at the bottom, which is why I didn't pull it out first. A little quote card, "To infinity and beyond." And then a handwritten note from Olivia. "Dear Trix, I hope you love your August box. Have a magical day." And look how cute the little stamp is. So a little plushie. Ooh, it's a chain. It's a chain plush. Yeah, it's a plush bag charm. So I saw this on Instagram, or not like the bag charm version, like the full-size plush version. I think it was the full-size plush, and thought it was really cool, and I'm glad to see it. It's Mickey in this beautiful Chinese outfit. And yeah, so a little, of course you can sit them on a shelf if you would like. It has a little bag charm. That's cute. I will more than likely sit him on a shelf because I don't want him to get dirty. The next two items are stationery items. We have some stickers, and these are, I'll take them out of their packaging so that you don't really get a glare, or hopefully you don't get much of a glare. These are, I don't exactly know what they're called, but they were really big when I was growing up, that they're kind of like bubbled over, and they're like relief stickers, like you can feel them. And it's Mickey and Minnie. Let me see if I can just get really close to show you. I was trying to zoom you in, but it really didn't work. All right, so that's about as close as I can get. So Mickey and Minnie doing various things. These are so cute. So I do like stickers, but I kind of have this issue. Let me know in the comments down below if you're like me as well. I get anxiety about where to put the stickers. Like, I don't want to put them in a place that, like, I'll regret or, like, I won't use. Like, I have a sticker, a vinyl sticker, that I finally decided to put on my laptop. And I've had it for months. And it was like, yes, I'm going to do it. I slapped it on. So I like these. I'm not exactly sure, though. Now that I see them, I'm like, but where am I going to use them? Tell me I'm not the only one who's like that. And finally is a journal. This is very cutesy. This is to celebrate 30 years of Pixar. By the way, when I read that Pixar was 30 years old, the company, when I read that over the summer, I very loudly said, oh, but no, I had no clue that Pixar was that old. Did you? All right, so this is a Monsters University cover. So Monsters University is in the bubble letter, and on the back we have Mike and Sully as ice creams, it appears. And then on the inside, oh, it's the same motif on the inside, so lined paper. And then we have the Mike and Scully as various ice cream forms. So cute. So that was my magical pick-me-up for August. More than likely, this is going to be my last magical pick-me-up for a while. Not that I don't still love the subscription box, because I do, but I'm taking a slight break from my monthly subscription boxes just because I just need to. I need to save up. I will just be skipping a month or two just to sort of like, with all the products that I have, if that makes sense, live with the products that I have, for lack of a better explanation, because getting a whole bunch of monthly boxes, it's a lot of products. So I'm going to kind of push pause, but I definitely will be going back to Magical Pick Me Up once that box hiatus is over. Overall though, I did really like this box. I do really love these ears. I do plan on bringing them with me on my trip next year that I go on. And just thought that the other things were really cutesy. Not very, I mean, the journal was not very practical things, but very cutesy. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this box and what your favorite thing was. I would love to hear from you. And if you have any Magical Pick Me Up or any Disney themed subscription box unboxings that you would like me to check out, let me know that in the comments down below too. I would love to watch them. Now is the time that you can let me know what you thought of this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you disliked it, give it a thumbs down. If you have not done so already, please do consider hitting that subscribe button and ringing that bell. That way we can hang out every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye!